Tingin kaya. Yes. Saan nyo? Nasa ko lang ngayon. Ito. Kasi sinakilat mo. Uy. Uy, dito ka na pala. Gusto mo makuha? Kunin mo. Ha? Gusto mo to? Di ba matapang ka?
Sa akin, sir.
Ano? Bibigay ko na sa'yo. Eh, no? Nandun. Asa ka? Oh, ano? Ano?
Okay, mamaya. Okay, sir. Okay, ako. Bye.
Kaya ka nang pupuntahan. Wala.
Ang ginagawa niyo?
Sino ba? Ako na!
Mga loko pala to. Okay ka lang? Nasaktan ka ba? Sinaktan ka nila? Nasaktan ka ba? Alam mo sa akin.
Tuloy mo lang.
Kimberly! 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 Hindi ka ba nakikinig ka? Yung best na natawag, hindi ka sumusunod!
Bakit pa? Wag pa.
Ilang beses na kitang tinatawag, ba't di ka sumusunod? Saan ka pupunta? Hindi ka makakalaya sa pamamahay na to!
Huwag mo kaya itaas yung pa. Tulungan niyo po ako! 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 Ikaw dito, tumayo ka muna! Tulungan niyo po ako! Kailangan ko muna tulong na! Ay, Diyos ko! Tulungan niyo po ako! Tumayo ka muna! Pag-usapan natin yung Ito tubig, uminom ka muna. May kakilala ko professor. Papakilala kita doon.
Simula nung nakaalis ako ng bahay at kinupkup ako ng ate at pinag-aral, ay namulat ako sa katotohanan na may karapatan ako bilang isang babae at ipaglalaban ko ito sa hinaharap.
Mr. Ray presented a compelling case for attempted murder. However, the prosecution has presented strong evidence of premeditation. Gaupo waited for Gisinga at her school, which suggests a planned attack.
Your Honor, I understand the prosecution's argument. However, I believe that evidence shows that Gaupo acted in a moment of extreme emotion. He was a victim of years of abuse by Gisinga, both physical and emotional. The incident at the school was the culmination of that trauma.
Mr. Ray, you're aware that domestic abuse is never an excuse for violence.
I agree, Your Honor, but I believe the jury should consider the context. Gaupo was in this situation. He was being manipulated.
Mr. Ro, you're a young lawyer and I commend your passion for your client, but you must be mindful of the law and the gravity of the charges.
I understand, Your Honor. I am not asking for leniency, but for justice. Gaupo deserves a fair trial, and I believe that evidence supports his claims of self-defense.
The jury will decide. Mr. Ro, I urge you to continue to represent your client with integrity and professionalism.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Ro, I've been watching your career. You're a bright young lawyer. I know you're passionate about your work, but I have to be honest, your arguments today felt a bit too sympathetic to the defendant.
Thank you, Your Honor.